Welcome back, Davidson All Natural Gym. Harvest 2024. It's October 8th, 2024. Hopefully we can get a couple combines and a couple green carts, maybe a couple semis. Stay tuned. Two combines and a grain wagon. There's a good shot. So that was cool, yeah? So this is gonna stink, huh? Right in the big dust cloud we're gonna be standing. Alright, this is gonna suck. Embrace the suck. And they'll be done with this field in a couple hours. Two combines, two semis, and 2 hours. Whew, they'll be done. You know, 40 years ago, we were harvesting this field for days. It would take us the whole month of October, and we were lucky to be out of here by November, the end of November. Thanksgiving, if you were lucky. And that was our harvest, and now it's down to 2 hours. So in 40 years, it went from 2 months to 2 hours. That's a lot of combine. Look at that combine. That's a lot of combine. That's a lot of tractor. That's a lot of technology. It's a lot of money in 40 years to go from 2 months of harvest to 2 hours. That's the ditch I was cleaning out. It'll be a lot better getting it from this side. I just got one from the other side and it's a little dusty. So we'll try the non-dusty side here. I don't know. Letting it out. Nope. There we go. Should be a good, decent crop, but the price of beans is the same as it was in 1970, so nobody's going to make any money, but it should be a good crop. Davidson's All Natural Gym out in the middle of a soybean field, waiting for the third Saturday of the month, because that's when we go live, third Saturday, 3 p.m., me and 6 other Sawyers, could be 7, never know, every month. Third Saturday of the month, 7 p.m. Central Time. Like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification and it'll let you know when I'm going live. Where did I put my tripod? There it is. They are probably halfway done with this front field, and it's been maybe an hour, maybe not quite. 2 semis full, 2 combines, and 1 poor grain cart guy. You see that spot right there with the weeds in it? When they were planting, it was too wet. They couldn't get the combine through there, so they planted around the wet spot. And then the weeds grew up, and then he just picked up the combine head and went over it. Didn't pick that. There's no beans in there. So these beans here were in set-aside. Planted in set-aside ground. And you can see where they fall off right beyond here, where it wasn't planted in set-aside. Right? I mean, I think you can see that, right? Oh yeah, you can see where it falls off there. So this was not set aside here. You see where that falls off really quick? That's right in there, set aside versus non-set aside. It's been harvested every year since I've been alive, since before I've been alive, and this has not been harvested for 47 years. First year, beans in the ground, first year. Oh, here he comes. Look how slow he has to go through here because of the bumps and stuff in here. Pretty slow, huh? Pretty slow. So we'll move this camera back just in case. I think we would have been fine, but you never know, right? Oh yeah, he's coming right along here. You see how slow that bean head's going, or that combine's going, compared to what it's doing in the field? So there's this one from the set aside, this one's from out in the field. This one's got 3 pods, this one's got 3. 2 combines and a tractor and a couple semis. And we're at the 2.5 hour mark. So we're gonna go back across the ditch, set up over there on that set aside where we got the planting video from. All right, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Is that a thing? Is stay tuned a thing? Like and subscribe is a thing, but I don't think stay tuned anymore is a thing, is it? Stay on this channel. Stay. Hope your internet holds out. No. Stay tuned. Don't touch that dial. That's it, isn't it? Don't touch that radio dial. We'll be right back. Davidson's All Natural Gem. Well, you see those trees in there? Man, that's horrible, isn't it? Look at them. Look at the limbs, and look how low those limbs are, and look how low those beans are right there. Hopefully I can zoom in on that and you can see how terrible those beans are doing. Because of the trees that have grown out in the last 40 years. So I've got to get back into those trees and come back. I'm cutting at least 2, maybe 3 rows of trees back. At least 3 rows of trees, hopefully. But that's not much beans there. Not many beans. It's a lot of weeds. Not a lot of beans. Throwing it right at us. Ready? Alright, Davidson's All Natural Gem, we are out. This is the last field right here, and we're done for the day. So, I mean, even if he spends an hour in that one, that's 3 hours and 10 minutes. He spends an hour in that, that's 4 hours. 4 hours in harvesting my whole 120 acres. It used to take 2 months. You were lucky if you got it out before the snow was flying. Alright, like, subscribe, and we'll get back to sawmilling, hopefully, now that the harvest is done. That was a quick harvest. Quickest harvest ever.